If Discord keeps giving you that annoying loading chunk failed error, don't worry. This quick and easy guide will help you fix it for good. Let's jump straight into it. This error usually happens when Discord's cached files get corrupted. So the goal is to fully remove those files and let Discord rebuild them. The first step is to open your start menu and search for Run. Click the Run app, and in the box that appears, type %appdata% and hit OK. A folder will open. Scroll until you find one named Discord. Right-click it and delete it. If you get a message saying the folder can't be deleted because Discord is open, just close Discord completely. Head down to your taskbar, right-click the Discord icon, choose Quit, and then try deleting the folder again. It should remove without any issues. Next, open the Start menu again, search for Run, and this time type %local app data% before pressing OK. Another folder will open, and once again, find the Discord folder and delete it the same way. By removing both of these folders, you're clearing out everything that could be causing the loading error. Now it's time to reinstall Discord. Open any browser and search for Discord download. Click on the official Discord website, scroll to the download option for Windows, and download the installer. Once it finishes, open it and let Discord reinstall itself. After installation, launch Discord again. And the loading chunk failed error should be completely gone. That's all you need. A quick cleanup, a fresh install, and Discord should be running smoothly again. If this helped you out, stick around for more simple tech fixes, and thanks for watching.